Now, for many people, layoffs usually mean one thing: the company is struggling, sales are failing, profits are shrinking, business is weak. But Cisco, it has completely changed that particular assumption here. Ladies and gentlemen, the company recently announced the elimination of 471 jobs in California, even though it recorded one of the strongest financial quarters in its history. Well, according to official filling here, Cisco reported approximately $15.8 billion in quarterly revenue, while simultaneously reconstructing its workforce to focus more heavily on AI, cybersecurity, and networking infrastructure. So, the question is, why cut jobs? Because let's be honest here, today's corporate strategy, it is no longer simply about making profits. It's about preparing for future. Here Cisco believes that the next generation of growth, it will come from AI-powered networking, cloud infrastructure, and data centers. That means software engineers, product managers, senior technical leaders, and even directors are seeing their roles disappearing as companies redesign entire organization around AI. This is creating a new reality for professionals across the globe. Job security is changing. The definition, maybe, of a successful career is changing. And employees are beginning to realize that experience alone, that's no longer enough for you. Continuous learning, that has become the biggest insurance policy. Whether you work in tech, finance, healthcare, engineering, every profession is now being influenced by AI. Here the biggest question is no longer whether AI will change your job or not. The real question is, how prepared are you for that change? For decades, British American Tobacco was known for their products. Today, it is becoming known for something completely different: reconstructing. The company has announced plans to eliminate 5,500 jobs worldwide, while shifting another 3,500 positions to strategic partners as part of its AI-driven transformation program. The initiative, called Fit to Win, aims to reduce cost, simplify operations, and build what the company calls a future-ready organization. Can you think about that for a moment? Thousands of employees across different countries and different departments, they are all affected because companies are redesigning the way that they operate. Now, here the management says that these changes are necessary to remain competitive. But critics argue that workers are paying the biggest price for technology progress here. And this is no longer limited to this particular company. Banks are doing it, technology firms are doing it, consultancy companies are doing it, even manufacturing industries are doing it. AI is helping businesses become faster, but it is also forcing millions of workers to learn completely new skills. Experts believe that future careers will increasingly depend on adaptability rather than experience alone here. And the message is becoming even clearer every single day. Learning cannot stop after college. Employees will have to continue upgrading their skills throughout their careers, because the jobs that exist today, it may no longer exist 5 years from now. But perhaps the biggest contradiction comes from another famous American company, a company that reported record profits, yet still decided to cut hundreds of jobs. Because sometimes companies are not laying people off because they are losing money. They are laying people off even while earning record profits.